Hi, this is a Tiago 2021, and because of its black interior I feel it gets really hot in the summer and the aircon needs to work twice as hard to cool down the cabin. So I have purchased a rear sunshade. I got this off Amazon for 380 rupees. It's by a seller called Auto Addict, and I've just had it got delivered today. So that's how it looks like when you unfold it. That's that unwrapped. And give me a moment so that I can fit it on the rear the rear window, and show you how it looks. So I've partially fitted it. It's not the most perfect fit, but it does slot into these gaps over here, and will give you a nearly tight fit and block out most of the heat. So I'm going to drive around with it for a few days and notice if the aircon does a better job at cooling the cabin after it's been parked in the sun for the whole day. Let me just show you how it looks from the outside. So that's how it looks from the outside. It looks nearly opaque, but when you go from the inside of the car, that's the visibility when you are sitting inside the car. So the camera is not really showing the best picture, but when I look at it with the naked eye I can see everything that's behind it and in the colors that they are, so it doesn't look like it's blocking out most of the visibility. Obviously if it doesn't work well enough I will take it out and return it. Thank you.